Hi to all, welcome to Chemistry Online. In previous class we are discussing structures of XCF to XCF4. Then we will discuss XCF6 structure some more structures. This is nothing but a structure of XCF6. Structure of XCF6 we are going to discuss. In XCF6, xenon is the central atom. In XCF6, xenon is the central atom. Okay, see here, fluorine, 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 fluorine. One lone pair is there. So this is the way structure of XCF6 can be. So this is the structure of XCF6. It is a lone pair. So remaining all these are bond pairs. So fluorine, 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 fluorine like this. It is a lone pair, remaining all are bond pairs. So here it is a bond pair, bond pair, bond pair, bond pair, bond pair, and a bond pair. So here you have to see xenon is a central atom. Xenon is a central atom which undergo hybridization sp1 p2 p3 d1 d2 d3 sp3 d3 hybridization. Lone pairs equal to 1, bond pairs equal to 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 bond pairs. Next sigma bonds equal to 3 3 6, pi bonds equal to 0. Okay, then shape of the molecule is distorted octahedron. Distorted octahedron. The shape of the molecule is distorted due to presence of lone pair and bond pair. Repulsions between lone pair and bond pair, the shape of the molecule will be changes. So actually it is a pentagonal bipyramidal, but its shape will be changes. So due to presence of this lone pair. Okay, so this is nothing but a structure of XCF6. XCF2, XCF4 already we discussed in previous class. It is XCF6. Next, structure of XCOF4. XCOF4. Here, see here, central atom is xenon. So xenon is the central atom. XCOF4 means the structure is like this. Xenon is the central atom. it is a lone pair. Fluorine, oxygen, fluorine, 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 it is a lone pair. Okay. So xenon is the central atom which having like this. So S, P1, P2, P3, D1, D2. Xenon is the central atom which undergoes sp3d2, sp1, p2, p3, d1, d2. sp3d2 hybridization, sp3d2 hybridization. Next, how many sigma bonds? 1 2 3 4 5 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. Then a lone pair equal to 1, then bond pair equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 bond pairs. Then shape of the molecule is square pyramidal. Shape of the molecule is square pyramidal. If it is a pyramid, then it is a square, then is square pyramidal. Okay. Here it is a structure of XeOF4. Then structure of XeO3. Structure of XeO3. Okay, XeO3 is nothing but a xenon trioxide. So here xenon is the central atom which having lone pair, then it is a double bond, and it is a double bond. Okay, so here like this. So here xenon is the central atom. Xenon is a central atom. Xenon is a central atom which undergoes sp1, p2, p3, sp3 hybridization, Then how many lone pairs? It is a lone pair. It is a bond pair. It is a bond pair. So bond pair. It is also bond pair. Okay. So here it is a lone pair, bond pair, bond pair, bond pair. So how many lone pairs means? So lone pairs is equal to 1. So bond pairs equal to 6. Okay. Next you have to know sigma bonds equal to 3. So pi bonds equal to 3. Sigma 3, pi 3. Then shape of the molecule is pyramidal. Shape is pyramidal. Okay. So this is briefly about structure of XeF6, XeOF4 and XeO3. Okay. So some very short answers. So you have to read uses of neon, and the mixture of He and O2. Helium plus oxygen is used in modern diving operators. Why? In modern diving operators, the mixture of He and O2 is used. Why? and neon uses. So you have to discuss the two very short answers. So these are the structures of XCF6, XCOF4, XCO3. Very important for 2 marks or 4 marks. Okay. So next we will discuss some very short answers. Okay. Then in modern diving apparatus, if it is the question you are going to face, in modern diving apparatus, the mixture of He and O2, helium and oxygen is used. Why? Okay. So here you have to know mixture of He and O2. See here, mixture of He and O2. It is used in modern diving apparatus by deep sea divers. So the mixture of helium and O2 is used in modern diving apparatus by deep sea divers. Deep sea divers means who are swimming in deep sea. They require oxygen now. So they are using oxygen in cylinders, the mixture of He and O2. Why? Because the low solubility of helium in the blood. Because the low solubility of helium in blood. Okay. So this is the reason we are using, means deep sea divers using the mixture of helium and oxygen is used in modern diving apparatus by deep sea divers. Because because the low solubility of the helium in the blood. Okay. See, then uses of neon. You have to know uses of neon. Uses of neon. See, what are the uses of neon means? Neon gas is used in discharge tubes and fluorescent bulbs. See here, neon gas is used in discharge tubes, in fluorescent bulbs, in fluorescent bulbs for advertisement purpose, for advertisement purpose. For advertiser purpose. See next, neon bulbs are used, fluorescent bulbs and advertiser purpose. Neon bulbs is used in botanical gardens. Bulbs are used in botanical gardens. Botanical gardens and greenhouses. Botanical gardens and greenhouses. So this is uses of neon. They can be have a chance to ask for 2 marks questions. Have a chance to ask for 2 marks question. So this is briefly 18th group elements, which is a 12 marks. Not 18th group elements, so total P block is for 12 marks. Have a chance for getting one long answer and one short answer and or 2 very shorts. Okay, total 12 marks chapter it is. So next we are going to discuss one more chapter, is nothing but D and F block elements. D and F block elements. So this is briefly about P block. P block means in this chapter we discussed 5th group, 6th group, 7th group, 8th group. So 6th, 7th groups are important for long answer. 5th group is for very short and 8th group is for short. Okay. Anyhow, in this chapter you have to read all 2 marks questions, 4 marks questions and 8 marks questions also. Okay. So this is very important chapter. Now next we are going to discuss the D and F block elements. D and F block elements. So including D and F block, so total periodic table is going to be finished. Already first year S block is discussed and P block 2 groups is discussed. In P block remaining 4 groups here we discussed. Next D and F we are going to discuss. F block is a deleted syllabus. So D block present we have a syllabus. So even though we will discuss D and F block elements. Okay. So here in this chapter it is very important for IP and MSET also. For IP you must read long answers from 6th and 7th groups and shorts, very shorts from 5th and 8th groups. Okay. So here we have no time to start a new chapter. So we will start on Monday. New chapter is start on, so means in next class. So you have to it's the time to leave.